Hi YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily split screen in VideoPad. Select the videos you want to edit, drag and drop them to VideoPad. Now drop the first video to the video track, drop the second video to the second video track. Okay, now the first video has audio file as well, so right click on it and unlink from video. So now we just need to delete that audio track from the first video because we don't need that audio track. And now on the first video, click on effects. We need to add the split screen effect. So find split screen, click on it. Now in here you can move the video to choose which part of the video you want to see on this side of the screen. Close it. Now on the second video, also click on effects. You need to also add the same split screen effect, but now select the B side because you want this second video to show on the right hand side here. Again, you can move the video around to select the part of the screen you want to be visible on your B side here. Close it. And now if I click play, both videos are visible. Okay, so as you can see, one video is slightly longer than the other, but you can cut that video. Just use this function, select this part of the video, click delete. And now if you also wanted to drop in some nice audio file here, you can do that here below. Just drop the audio, and let's see how this is going to look now. Perfect. Again, if the audio file is a lot longer than the video, you can also cut the section that you don't want, split and delete. Just keep the videos and audio files the same length.